and Ahmed. I'm going to be making something that I've made and served at parties many times. I just never got around to making a video. It's so simple to make and so delicious that you're going to love it. We're making green chutney pinwheels. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, and ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. Great chutney starts with fresh coriander and cilantro and some other ingredients. I've washed and cleaned a bunch of coriander here. This is approximately 3 cups, and I'm going to be using both the leaves and the stems. I've roughly cut this with a scissor so it's easy for me to grind down in the food processor. The first thing I'm going to do is start with the liquid ingredients. I have some lemons here and I'm going to squeeze about half a cup of liquid into the jar. To this I'm going to add a half teaspoon of peppercorns, 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste. I like to add the coriander just a little bit at a time. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of green chilies, a half teaspoon of red chili powder, and a half teaspoon of chaat masala. Next, I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of shredded coconut. I'm going to add half first, grind it down, and then I'm going to add the other half. For best results, chill the chutney before serving or spreading. To make the pinwheels, you need bread that is sliced horizontally without any crusts. You can purchase bread like this that is already pre-sliced, but if you can't find this, you can just go to a bakery and get them to slice a loaf of bread horizontally and just trim off the crusts. Spread butter or margarine for vegan option on the bread and follow with a layer of chutney. The layer of butter or margarine will prevent the moisture from the chutney from making the bread soggy. Once this is done, I like to roll them up and secure them with some cling film. I'm going to finish rolling the rest of these now, and I'm going to store them in a Tupperware container. Once these are all complete, I like to chill this overnight so it's nice and firm before I slice it. It's nice and firm now, so I'm going to slice it. These are absolutely delicious. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings for Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for chutney pinwheels. It's great for Christmas, New Year, Easter, whatever celebration you're having. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, and don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you love this video, do leave me a comment below. I love hearing from you. Also, share it with your family and friends so they can enjoy this great recipe as well. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Till I see you next time, do take care, happy eating, bye!